Hey guys, oh my gosh, I know I said I'll make only 2 videos at the most, but you know how there was thunder in the last video? Heck of thunder and rain. Listen, just wait. There's like boom above us, like lightning right above us. While thunder was happening, so it's super close. Come on, right when I'm making a video, it's not happening. Yeah, I just moved here and I'm not used to this weather. Come on. Come on. As you can see, it's raining though. If you could tell. There's some thunder. Not good thunder. Come on, dude, it's crazy. Dude's like right above us. Well, otherwise the lightning would have hit us. So I heard the boom against the ground from the lightning hitting the ground. It's like part of the thunder. Like the pop noise, you know? Like, you know. But no pitch. Come on. It's hecka cloudy still. Remember from like the first video or last video? It's raining over there. Yeah, dude. Trying to go because it's raining in there. Lightning. Oh, there's gonna be thunder, watch. I'm gonna do this. I don't know because I can't switch the screen, but I'm doing this in case there's any lightning. And I'm on my phone right now, so I only have a certain time limit of recording because there's like certain storage, you know. There's a bird. Hello, bird. Come on. Now it's like barely sprinkling, dude. No, Bella. So usually for doing especially in storms, but it's not surprising when it's only a tiny bit windy. I want to say that it feels more windy. What's this big thunder? And I started making a video hoping that there would be another big thunder. One of my first days, well, like on my first or second week, there was a huge thunder, like literally And then I'm gonna go to my room. I love thunder and lightning storms. This is how I heard it. But, so I posted a video just now. So basically 4 videos, like just with my new intro. And I don't know how to like edit it. There's wind. The tree. Okay. I guess there was a tiny bit of thunder. I don't know if you heard it, but bye.